I want to talk to you today a little bit about perspective, how you perceive things. You know, there's a cute little story on perspective that goes like this. It's about a turtle who was mugged on a beach by a marauding band of snails. And in the interview after, he said, "I don't know, it all happened so fast." For a turtle, that would how it would seem. And so as I teach, 350 seminars a year, I'm constantly hearing from realtors about the market. So I want to talk to you a little bit about perspective. You see, I know folks watching this are all over North America, but let's just take the Toronto Real Estate Board as an example. A small month here is 4,000 to 5,000 sales. That would be like a December or a January. So let's take the smallest, January, 4,000 sales. Actually, January of 2018, there was 4,018. And so each sale has two sides, the buyer side, the seller side. So that would mean in a very small month on the Toronto Real Estate Board, there'd be 8,000 sides. That's your smallest month. On a big month here, like April, May, there was almost 8,000 sales. That's 16,000 sides. And so realtors say to me in January and December and the summer months are a bit slower, if the market's too slow. Really? Is that how your brain is spinning it? Because there's only 4,000 or 5,000 sales, only 8,000 to 10,000 sides, you can't go find your 2 or 3? I would need to have 8,000 sales, 16,000 sides. How can I possibly find 2 or 3 or 4 sales in 8,000 to 10,000 sides? That's insane, guys and gals. Perspective is everything. So if you happen to work on the Toronto Real Estate Board, others, you can do the math on your board. But if you live in Toronto and this is where you do your business, every month you start, there'll be between 8,000 to 10,000 available sides and 16,000 available sides. How can any of them be bad? You can't say to me, you know, if there was just 16,000 sides, I could find my 3. But with 8,000 sides, how could I possibly find 3? That's insane. Every day you start, there's thousands and thousands and thousands of available sides. Make sure perspective-wise you're viewing things correctly. Enter every month realizing that, hey, if my goal is 3 a month, I'm sure I can find 3 out of 8,000 or 14,000 or 16,000. You can't say to me, well, I can't make sales because there's only 4,000 sales this month. There's only 8,000 sides. That's crazy. All right, guys and gals, thanks for taking a few minutes and watching this short video. If you like these videos, I highly recommend you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have an awesome day.